We are on the way of the cross, and on the way we will see this way of the cross. Every incident happened to Jesus Christ during his journey towards his death. Today it's raining badly. I waited whole night for rain to stop to take this video.
That's how you write six?
Six, that's a Roman number.
Okay. That is the blood, yeah?
Yeah.
Now you can see on the way people are walking on their knees towards way of the cross, and before they reach there, I'm sure they are going to have bruises to their knees and their pants and whatever they are wearing. It will get torn from the knee side. So this is our way of the cross. Jesus falls from the second time, for the second time. So this is way of the cross, my childhood favorite place. As I said, I am coming to Velangani from last 42 years, and I know the peace of mind I get here. I feel that I have a mother's hand on my head. Jesus consoles the woman. You can see this man still have to go a long way. At the end of this way there is a holy water tank. There I have to buy the holy water, which I always do. This is the way of the cross. So we will be reaching to that water tank. We will buy the water tank. There is a very funny story about this shop here. You can see there is a shop selling articles, artifacts of Christianity. There is one small general store at that corner. So when I came here, I don't know which trip it was, I had my accommodation room just behind this way of the cross, that side. Jesus is stripped of his garments. So I went there inside at my room and I changed. I took the toothbrush, paste, and I started brushing my tooth, and suddenly I realized that I don't have a bath soap. So just to take that bathing soap, I came to this shop and I could not open my mouth because the paste and everything was inside. And I was not talking, I was just telling him through my hand, signaling him that I need a bathing soap. And this fellow thought I am I cannot speak, means I don't have tongue. Jesus nailed of the cross. So the shopkeeper gave me the bathing soap free. Now later I came and paid him money, but my friends were laughing at me too much. They saying, "You are naughty. You don't go out of your zone. You're always naughty." That was really, I never forget that. Always remember that. So I'm proceeding towards the Way of the Cross. There is a new church here. We'll go there. We'll show you. Jesus dies on the cross. So this is also a new addition. It's a must go there. I'll go there after finishing this. So Way of the Cross and the holy water tank. Let's be there. So we reached the holy water tank. A lot of changes, before the floor was just a sand ground. Now it's been given the marble and granite and all. There is this new addition here. Every time when I come here I see something new. That makes me to come back again because I always wants to know that what's new is coming up. So this is it. A new addition. I liked it very much. I think they surely do something here. Some program like adoration or rosary or something. So it's been beautiful. So this is the holy water tank, where people are peeking. Let me take you there if I can make you to peep there. I don't think we can see anything due to rain. There is a good amount of humidity. Anyway, it's closed. But this is a holy water tank, Our Lady's tank. Good health appeared. We are heading where we can buy the holy water. So there is one beautiful statue of Mother Mary here. Blessed Mary, full of grace, grant us healing. So this is one beautiful statue there. Let's go inside. Let us see if we can buy holy water. Now crowd because of rain, and secondly it's Monday. People are gone. Yesterday when I came here it was full. Means so this is the counter. I have to buy. ಅಣ್ಣ 2 ಬಾಟಲ್ வேணும் எங்க
நேரா போயிட்டு ரைட்ல
okay so they asked me to buy from another place because here they offer holy water only for drink. So let me see. Before I used to buy from here only, so I know the places where I used to. So this is the new counter where we have to buy holy water. So Way of the Cross, at the end of the Way of the Cross, there is a Mother Mary's, Our Lady's tank of holy water. From here you can buy the holy waters for you, your friends, everyone. So this is the counter. Let us see. I want to buy for my friends. Friend, holy water bottle. Amma. Okay. I asked her here, but she says no. Go to next one. holy water bottle
15 rupees.
ரெண்டு கொடுங்க
30 rupees.
ஓகே அவ்வளோ லிட்டர் அது அரை லிட்டரா அரை லிட்டரா ஒரு லிட்டரா இது வேறு yellow கலர் இல்லைவா ஏன் என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு
Stock.
ஆ
Stock illa.
ஸ்டாக் இல்லையா ஓகே ரெண்டு பாட்டில் கொடு
30.
So they don't have a stock of yellow bottle which I prefer.
The last one.
Ange? And the last la. So this is the menu. Holy water and articles, wrist and all. What you get in what price.